All right, gang, here we are at European Motors in Cedar Rapids. Got something a little different for us. We don't do a whole lot of Hyundais, but I got a family member. My sister actually turned me on to these. These are kind of practical, fun, inexpensive little SUVs, and so thought we'd bring a few in here as of late, and people seem to like them. This is an all-wheel drive Kona. This is a one-owner 2021 with only 20,000 miles. My favorite part of these is the houndstooth seats. I just dig those. Those are so cool. Tommy, for a second here, I think I'm looking at an old 911, but it's not. Unfortunately, it is a Hyundai Kona. Got tons of factory warranty on this. This is a 2-liter. These are 16 valve, naturally aspirated. Got new tires on this one, brand new all-season tires on all 4 corners. Just gorgeous red color, kind of a deep metallic red. Super clean under here. This is clean Carfax, right, Tommy?
Clean Carfax, one owner,
clean title, no issues whatsoever.
still
ready
under
to go.
factory warranty.
This is a great payment vehicle if you're looking for just a, you know, practical modern car that has a good factory warranty on it. This has factory warranty for quite a while. We'll have that on the ad. Factory floor mats, non-smoker, and this is a SEL plus, so some things you get with that are the sunroof. You get keyless go, infinity sound system. This sound system in here just really gets the job done. I'll tell you, I drove this a little earlier and somebody had it tuned to a lively station and it was quite enjoyable. Seats fold flat. We still have the cargo partition here. This thing's pretty much in the wrapper. We got both keys, books. It is ready to go. Let's go drive it.
Ready for a spin?
This whole vehicle is really clean. 20,455 miles. You can see the warning lights come on and then they clear. We did service this vehicle, so it's ready to go. We got heated seats. Look at all these.
This has
charge ports,
and then right here is actually a charging pad, so you're gonna set your phone right there and charge away wirelessly.
How good we got on the backup camera. That's pretty good one.
Like how the lines move with the steering wheel.
You getting any flickering whatsoever? That's just our camera interfacing with the LED technology. Everything's rock solid in person.
Let's see if there's anything on the radio today. The whole time I'm imagining my auntie stuffing some in her.
That is something for a car like this to have a sound system like that. That sounds great. And we've got, what do we got over here? We got blind spot.
Blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning. It actually has active lane keep if you want that feature on, where it'll actually steer for you.
That's all the SEL plus stuff, isn't it, Tom?
This has all of the, I won't say all, but just about every driver aid that they're putting on newer cars today.
That's pretty sweet. And this is gonna be less than 25 grand. That's 20,000 miles. Tons of factory warranty and all the driver assist stuff. Brand new tires.
And it gets, I want to say it was 30 miles to the gallon on the highway too. So great fuel economy with the all-wheel drive system.
That little 16 valve, you know, it doesn't feel gutless in here. I mean, we're definitely not driving a BMW. But it's got plenty of power. I mean, I'm half pedal, I'm passing traffic. So it's got plenty of power. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Don't have to worry about much to brake. Look at the handling. Not bad. So we'll get it up to highway speed here. Again, that's just kind of half pedal. You can kind of tell here we're not really driving a European car, but that's 65 miles an hour.
Still quiet in here though. It's still a nice place to be.
It's not bad if you need a inexpensive car. This would be really easy to finance for a low payment. So there it is. If this is something you're looking for, by all means give us a call. We can get it shipped right to your driveway if you're a little ways away. We ship anywhere in the lower 48 states. Or come on in and take it for a test drive and see what you think of it. We're just a few hours away from a lot of major metro areas in the upper Midwest, like Minneapolis, Milwaukee, Chicago, St. Louis, Omaha, and so forth. Just a couple hours from Des Moines if you're in the Des Moines area. Anything I didn't touch on, Tommy?
Give us a call.
Non-smoker, one owner, Kona, still factory warranty, only 20,000 miles. And this is an SEL Plus, so it's got a ton of features that if you're just looking at a normal one, you may not have. Really nice to have the sunroof and a few other features this one's got. Thanks so much for watching.